Welcome back to the Auto Flow. Today's feature are the brand new 2025 Honda Luxury Motorhome. The 2025 Honda Luxury Motorhome is turning heads for all the right reasons. Honda, already a master of engineering reliable and sleek vehicles, has now taken the motorhome concept to a whole new level. Designed for those who seek both the thrill of travel and the comfort of a 5-star suite, this motorhome delivers an experience that feels truly next generation. From the outside, the 2025 model sports an elegant aerodynamic design, wrapped in a stunning pearl white finish. The signature Honda front grille shines proudly, flanked by sharp, futuristic LED headlights. The panoramic windshield and side windows are tinted for privacy yet large enough to flood the interior with natural light, connecting you with the beauty of the outdoors at every turn. Riding on high-performance, all-terrain wheels, the motorhome is as ready for off-grid adventures as it is for luxury RV parks. Step inside, and it's clear Honda didn't just build a motorhome, they crafted a moving luxury apartment. Soft beige leather seating, rich wood accents, a fully equipped kitchenette with marble countertops, and smart ambient lighting create a calming and sophisticated environment. The driver and passenger seats offer premium comfort with full electronic adjustments and memory settings. At the heart of the dashboard sits a massive infotainment system that integrates navigation, media, and smart home-style controls for the entire living area. The living space is perfectly planned, offering a cozy lounge, a dining area, a spacious bathroom with a rain-style shower, and a master bedroom with a queen-size memory foam bed. Every section of the motorhome screams innovation and luxury, from automatic climate control to voice-activated lighting systems. Of course, being Honda, safety is top tier, including collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. As for performance, the 2025 luxury motorhome is powered by a hybrid V6 engine, offering both solid towing capacity and impressive fuel economy for its class. Honda has cleverly blended power, efficiency, and smooth handling, ensuring that even long journeys feel effortless. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Honda Luxury Motorhome comes with a starting price of around $165,000, depending on optional upgrades and trim levels. Considering the quality, technology, and luxury packed into every inch of this motorhome, it represents outstanding value in the premium RV segment. So if you've been dreaming about hitting the open road without sacrificing style or comfort, the 2025 Honda Luxury Motorhome might just be your perfect match. Let us know in the comments what you think about this beauty, and if you would like a full tour video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest automotive adventures.